They have a butt mask. I'm about to just run to the mailbox for a package. The mailbox is down the street. It's walkable. I just don't feel like walking. Ooh, that's hot. Too hot for people. Oh! Yeah, I fell, but whatever. But yeah, so it's too hot to be walking, so I'm gonna just drive to the mailbox. This is what I ordered, so let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, hold on. This is the second time that I've ordered from this company. It's Nova Road. That's their Insta. And that's their website. Thank you. Your order made my day. I hope the package brightens yours. I ordered 2 things. So let's see which one this is. An anklet and a bracelet. I just don't know which one is which. Isn't that super cute? I have a necklace, the exact same. So let me go ahead and buy the anklet and bracelet. It's so hard doing it with one hand, but I don't feel like getting my stand right now. Yeah, so throw that in there. Moving on to the next. And then this, the material is super soft. I think this is the anklet. Yeah. So this is the anklet. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. Super cute. I do believe I have a code because I ordered and they were like, hey, here's a code for you. So I said, why won't I just share it with you guys? Look at these missiles. Handgun. The flare gun? Oh wow. It's a certificate of discharge. Nice. This the radio. It's so hot. Oh wow, this is like the pit, the bottom of the barrel. Hello. It's a little cooler over here. No, can you imagine like the people who's downstairs and they have to hurry up and go get messy and they have to run up all these stairs? See, I knew it felt good outside. It's like a little anchor. Oh wow, this is a tight fit. A little mirror to shave and a oh Lord. Woo! Wow, that's where all the food was made. Leaving the ship, and I think that's a gator. Feels very good. Crab nachos. Food has arrived. Grilled salmon with rice and pickled vegetables. And I got me a lemonade. And then a wine with me. Just got to Ikea. You like these fake cactus? I wanted to find some throw pillows and a flat sheet. It's so pretty. This one's nice too though. This one's nice and wide. just grabbing some stuff. Grab this dry brush and the lotion down there. Thinking if I want to grab some gloves. They have a butt mask. What the world? I'm not really interested. I think that's fine for now, I guess. I'm just trying to get a sheet, like a pink sheet, due for this little girl talk corner, which is why I went to Ikea to grab throw pillows. So now I just want to go to the sheet section. See, I found one like this on Amazon, right? Theirs was like 30. And this is only 15. You got the muddler, and it has that, which is super cool. Finishing the night with, I have some fried tilapia and some French fries from Salem. I could just grub on this